Hello and welcome to this section. In this section, I'm going to show us how you can sign up a Fiverr account. Let's go straight to the course without wasting much time. Open our browser, go to fiverr.com. I have an account already. I'm going to show us the way you can set up an account with Fiverr. You see this option here, become a seller. You can as well say become a seller, or you can click on join. So because you want to become a seller, let's go straight and click on become a seller. If you already created one account or have a Fiverr account already, just click on sign in and you put your username and your password and you log in. Just as as usual, you log into any other online website. So you click on become a seller to walk you through, to walk your way, to bring continue, register with your. You can join with Facebook, you can join with Google, or you can as well join directly. So because I have already joined, I'm not going to create another account. So all you just need to do is type in your email, bmarkxyz@gmail.com. Just type in your mail. If it's at Yahoo, you type in at yahoo.com and you click on continue. When you click on continue, you'll send a notification to your email. They send a notification to your email. Now open your email and activate your account. When you activate your account, then you are good to go to set up your first gig. I hope you enjoyed this course. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.